Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to feature a post on LinkedIn. So first thing that you will do is of course go to linkedin.com and sign in into your account. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on your profile over here on the top left. And after that, once you are on your profile, just simply click on add a profile section over here. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to the recommended over here, and a drop down will show up, and you should be able to see here add featured. So click on this add featured, and after that just simply click on this plus icon over here at the middle. And now from here you will have multiple options, guys. So just simply click on add a post, and from here, guys, you should be able to simply add a post over here. So when you click on this feature over here, it will be on the featured tab, and when you click on feature over here, it will be on it as well. And now, guys, once you go to their profile again and scroll down, you should be able to see here featured, and if you want to edit it, just simply click on this, and from here just simply click on your post, and from here you can just simply click on the three dots over here and you can edit the post. And from here you should be able to do some editing, and now make sure to click on save. And now, guys, when you go on your profile again and you scroll down, you should be able to see now the featured. So from here, just simply click on plus over here, and you should be able to add more featured posts. And from here, you should be able to create it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.